Hello everybody, Hendrik here from pricecheck.co.za. Yes, I'm not playing games with you and I'm not trying to show you all the gadgets that you can have on one table, but this is arguably something that was literally taken from the Minority Report movie. What you see before you is the Celluon Projection Keyboard that has a mouse with it. And you can use this projection keyboard with your tablet, as in here, or you can use it with a notebook. However, if you just have a look here, enter, and very nice, and it works. So it's got all the functionality of a normal keyboard. However, there's no keyboard. So literally, you pair the device with your device. Some Bluetooth magic happens, and there you go. The Celluon Magic Cube is available from Loot, Kalahari, and Purple Fly Trading, and a variety of other online stores. And yeah, it's a brilliant gadget. Battery life is awesome, and yeah, get one today. It really is that awesome.